Hey guys, in this video I wanted to go over how do you power your pump and filtration system on your Intex above ground pool. It is very simple. They come with plugins, and if you just have the sand pump system, you'll have one plugin, but I have the the QS 1200 Saltwater system that also has a plug-in, and you can bring electricity out here if you want. I just get a weather box and plug everything in and run an extension cord over to my outlet. So here's the exact weather box that I use. It just has some gaskets and like leak-proof system to it, and then I just run an extension cord with a splitter so I could plug in both systems, and then I literally close that up and keep it to the side, and then try to do some fancy cable management, but usually not. If you don't have electricity out here yet, just run an extension cord, weather box, splitter, and go to each receptacle. There's no fancy electricity upgrade that you need, literally just 110, and you can power everything. Everything is low voltage, and just to give you perspective or exact, motor is only a 0.24 horsepower motor, so it's not like a crazy powerful draw. Yeah, 110 volts. So it's as simple as that. You just plug it in and you're good to go. Do not need a fancy electrical system. Now you can, if you want to put, an outlet, like weatherproofed system, you can definitely do so. But at a bare minimum, all you need is an extension cord and a weather box, and you can plug it in, you'd be good to go.